Alright. So I just got home from our practice for our 32nd anniversary of JIL San Pablo. So let me fix my... Okay. Welcome to my room. So this is my room. Magagambala.
Hindi.
Nakabidyo yan eh.
May drone na. Si Mimoy.
Drone. May drone man, okay? So going back, I just came home from our practice. So this is the box of my drone. This is the DJI Mini 3 with the remote control. So ultra well, fragile, handled with care, no video, no refund, no replacement. That's why please take a video while opening your parcel. All sides of the parcel must be shown during the unboxing. If your order isn't complete or damaged, send the video to customer care at gentcommerce.com.ph. So meaning that is the purpose. That's why I am taking a video. So let's unbox this. So this is my first Pro ever. Like, I am so excited. I got this during the 6/6 sale on Shopee. I got this for 25,000. Yeah, I got this for 25,000. But the real price of this one, I think that's 33,000. I think from DJI. But I thought that I'm not gonna be getting this one because it says when I am ordering, it says there that it's out of stock, and then I just waited for like 5 minutes, and then I checked again my Shopee app, and then it is available again. So I immediately ordered. However, the first time that I have ordered this one, it was 22,000. But when I tried to reorder this one, it's already 25. But it's a good deal. Not bad. Okay, so this is the box. However, when I got this one, I have some voucher, like that's 1,000 off. So I got this for 24,000 and something. 24,000 and some change. I'm just kidding, just 24,000 and something. It doesn't look much. So I thought this will not gonna be delivered today because it takes so much, like it's 7 p.m. already. I mean, sorry, it's 8 p.m. already. So I thought that this would be delivered tomorrow, but I'm really excited. So, here's the box. Well, it's really hard to open this one. It's the DJI Mini 3 ultralight. I have my delivery order. So let me try to open this one. This is only just a dream, but now it's in my hand. This is the unboxing. Oh, this is very satisfying, man. So when I was a kid, it's really my dream to have a chopper, like a toy chopper. However, unfortunately I didn't get one. That's why I'm healing my inner child. Healing my inner child, pero DJI binili. Sino ka naman dyan? So mag-unbox na tayo, self. Okay. I have to open this one here at the bottom. Okay. So this is the drone itself. It's very lightweight. Let's open this. It's very lightweight. Whoa. Fresh. This is the camera. Remove the phone sticker and sticker before use. Okay, I already removed it. And I'll also remove cameras cover. And the special feature that I like in this drone is the true vertical shooting, which is good for IG, Reels, Story, and also YouTube. Okay, that was nice. So let me just put it in here. Okay. And let's see what's in the box. So it doesn't have a case. It has only the DJI drone and the controller. Also has a manual, but who reads this? I don't read this. So there's no back. Okay. That was weird. Let's open this one. Whoa. This is interesting. So that's it for my unboxing of my DJI drone, and I'm gonna be putting this tempered glass that I bought on Shopee. Okay, nice. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna be putting this one, and this is the end of the video. I'm just gonna be taking a photo. I'm really excited to do this. I'm really excited to use this. So I'll just, post something if ever I have done my first flight. That's it. Thank you so much. And yeah.